Hello everyone, welcome to PKR Electrical Engineering. OHE Designs. OHE Design. General Power Supply Diagram. General Power Supply Diagram. General Power Supply Diagram shows the basic scheme of switching stations and subsection wise. OHE drawing. Pegging plan. OHE layout plan LOP. Cross section drawing. CSD. Structural erection drawing. SED. Profile clearance study drawings. As erected drawings, switching station drawing. Then OHE foundation. Foundation design basics. Foundation are designed. Foundations are designed on the basis of FBM code, type and wearing capacity of soil, shoulder width, and the extent of projection above ground level. Section of the type and size of foundation is done from volume chart or equivalent chart for foundations. Type of foundation. A. Side bearing foundation or B type foundation. Side bearing foundation or B type foundation are used for must where earth is normal and fully consolidated. The soil bearing capacity is 11,000 or 21,500 kgf per meter square and 300 wide shoulder is available beyond the outer edge on the foundation or banks. B. Side gravity foundation. Side gravity foundation. BG. Type of foundation. Types. VG type foundation may be used for must where soil bearing capacity is 8,000 and 11,000 kgf per meter square or adequate shoulder width is not available, that is less than 300 beyond the edge of foundation. C. Pure gravity foundations P type foundation are used for portal and are designed for soil bearing capacity of 8,000 and 11,000 kgf per meter square. P type foundation. D. New pure gravity foundations or MG type foundation may be used for must where soil bearing capacity is 5,500 and 8,000 and 11,000 kgf per meter square or where adequate shoulder width is not available. In case in such case, it should be ensured that foundation is not exposed. E. WBC or NBC type of foundations are used in black cotton soil. Primarily, WBC foundation are to be adopted where swelling shrinkage is not expected to take place at the founding level, and NBC foundation have to provided where swelling shrinkage is expected to occur. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फाउंडेशन आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर बी टाइप सॉइल प्रेशर इन केजीएफ पर स्क्वायर मीटर बी टाइप में 11,000 एच बी टाइप में 21,500 वीजी टाइप 8,000 to 11,000 एमजी टाइप 5,000, 1,500, 8,000 and 11,000. WBC type 16,500. NBC type 16,500. ANBC type 16,500. P type 8,250 and 11,000. PVC type 16,500. This is the OHE foundation. Property preparatory works for foundation, ensuring of approved LOP and CSD for the particle section at site, copy of volume chart and boom combination chart, making of location number chain is type of must, implementation on rail, collection of cross aggregates metal, fine aggregates sand and cement near to the location, arranging required size of shutters, ensuring work condition of vibrator and availability of other T and Ps like scroll box, shovel shaped crowbars, pickaxe and mortar pen etc. If rock is found encountered, restored to blasting. If rock is encountered, restored to blasting. First inform to the condition to railway representative. Carry out joint inspection with railway representative to assess the intensity of the blasting and obtain railway's approval in writing. Chalk out blasting program and arrange line block accordingly. According to intensity of blasting, request for caution order for from railway. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आएगा OHE स्ट्रक्चर. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe PKR Electrical Engineering. Thank you.